Well, sa una, I think the Filipino people understand what is at stake here. Dito sa usaping na impeachment trial. Ang at stake po dito ay yung ating saligang batas talaga at yung pananagutan kung saan binigyan ng kapangyarihan ng saligang batas ang Senado, katangi-tanging kapangyarihan, exclusive power to try and decide impeachment complaint. Ang sinasabi po ng House Prosecution Panel as sufficiently and aptly discussed by Congressman Shell Jokno in his oral argument, dapat po ang Senado hindi i-clip ang itong kapangyarihan na ito. Dapat hindi i-restrict ang Senado acting as impeachment court para ma-access niya yung dapat na mga material na ebidensya na magiging importante or indispensable para ito po ang mag-arrive into a fair, impartial, and sound judgment based on the evidence that they have to obtain. Yung sinabi po ni Attorney Jay kanina, ito po ay pagbibigay access para po yung subpoena na po yun, makuha po itong mga material na ito na very important for the court to have a accurate basis for them or reference for them to arrive into a conclusion, a sound and impartial conclusion. Kaya nga po kami sa House Prosecution Panel, nakikita natin yung ano yung nagiging reaksyon ng taong bayan. Dahil alam nila, naintindihan nila na ito lang yung paraan kung paano ang Senado ay mabigyang yung kanilang magiging pagsusuri ay it will lead also to them not only resolving the case but also to exercise yung kanilang katangi-tanging kapangyarihan. The truth shall set us free. And I'm not mentioning this based solely on religious tone. Ito, naiintindihan po ito ng ating taong bayan. And if we go back to our experience in the past, yung nangyari po dun sa kay Estrada impeachment trial, yung taong bayan dahil it was not, the envelope was it was not opened. The people felt betrayed because of the blocking of the opening of the second envelope. And yun po yung kanilang, yun po yung nakikita po natin na kung saan po sila, ang ating taong bayan, nanggagaling. No? So, tayo naman po, dahil ni-request naman po natin itong sa mga documents na ito, ay naiintindihan po natin ang ating taong bayan, yung clamor nila, yung demand nila for accountability, yung demand nila for the Senate acting as impeachment court to exercise that extraordinary power and not to allow the fundamental law of the land be subservient to ordinary laws. No? Kasi ang nagsasabi naman po dito ang ating saligang batas na ang kapangyarihan ng Senado. So kung ano po yung mga batas na na-mention po in the oral argument by the defense, these should not be reasons to curtail the right of the Senate acting as impeachment court because the basis for them to exercise this power is granted to them by the fundamental law of the land, which is the 1987 Philippine Constitution.